Hello, YouTube land, and welcome to another edition of the Crypto Mama Mia. That's right, ladies and gents, I'm back. I know I've been gone for a hot minute. Life deals you some blows sometimes that you have to deal with and takes you away from other things you love, but I'm back. And if you have not already, please like, please subscribe. And I also do have a Twitter, so if you want to follow me there, sorry, I have to get back into it, but I am back. So, and thank you all for your support. I've seen that some of you are still subscribing, and I will deliver some videos to you. And I will make sure that no matter what, I will always come back. So, with that being said, just want to remind you though, real quick, before I get into what I get into today, I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence for the love of God. And please, please, only play with what you can. And I say play because of things like this, ladies and gents. Celsius. Oh man, I had crypto in there. I still do. I'm not gonna, full disclosure, I still have it in there and it's stuck in there, you know. And I've learned from the past that no matter what platform you're looking at when it comes to crypto or anything, your bank, I've seen news about banks freezing accounts and saying they don't have money. That's big banks too. Can you imagine having your funds in there and they tell you you can't do it? Well, you know what, they've done that to people around the world, and don't put it past banks in America or wherever you live, ladies and gents, because even Celsius, they have owned up to the fact that they owe a lot of money to a lot of people. What, they're $1.2 billion in the hole. And what is the reason for that, ladies and gents? Well, simple. It's, look at this BTC price. Look at this ETH price, right? So when everything was hunky dory and BTC was anywhere from, I don't know, let's just say 30 to 60K. Yeah, they was giving out loans like there's no tomorrow, you know. But it has come to a head, and now they have filed for bankruptcy. And ladies and gents, full disclosure, I have crypto in there. Am I gonna get it back? Who knows? But I've learned from being in this space that things like this happen, uh, with reputable and non-reputable things. Anybody remember things like BitConnect? Yeah, that kind of stuff. So what I've come to learn, and this is today's lesson, because ladies and gents, I'm an educational channel, right? So what I've come to learn is always, and this is for anything, always, always, always take out what you've put in. So once you've hit that profit margin, let's say, you got half a Bitcoin in there and it only cost you, I don't know, at the time, 9 grand, for example, right? So let's say Bitcoin did hit that 60 grand mark, which it did. That would be the time to take your 9 grand out, which was the cost of your half a Bitcoin, and just put it on the side, right? And I know people are like, no, but what if it went higher? And then it's fine if it went higher. You still have 0.25 of a Bitcoin to play with, right? But you haven't lost anything because you now have taken out your 9 grand worth of USD from that Bitcoin that you have. And that way, whatever else you make is just pure profit. And this goes for anything, ladies and gents, whether it's a Celsius, whether it's a BitConnect. Oh my gosh, I know I said the words BitConnect. Whether it's a leverage trading platform, because I'm still doing trading, ladies and gents. That is one of my main crypto things that I do. And then pretty much buy and sell, buy and sell. And again, I just follow my own, philosophy of buying low, selling high, and then leverage trading. And then, yes, I still have stuff in Celsius. Will I get it back? Who knows? I'm not holding my breath. I wish I did. I did take out some, right? I didn't take out my full, but I did take out some, which I kind of wish I took out more now. But See, I still get lulled into thinking sometimes that, oh no, they're reputable versus something like a cash FX, right? But then something like this smacks me in the face. And this is why I talk about it, because I would rather you learn from me, and that way you don't make the same mistakes that I make, right? Because holy smokes, look at this. This is this is not good. Not good at all. And it's again due to the prices right here, ladies and gents. This BTC and this ETH and this, like all of them, they're on their lows, right? Like it's just, yep, see, deficit. It's in a deficit. Here you go. And that's not 1,190, just so that you're reading that right. No, let's go back up here. Billion. I just can't fit all the zeros in there, so they just condense it. So yeah. Oh, and I totally like zoomed in on that one. So sorry. But yeah. So you know what, ladies and gents, I still love my crypto. Don't get me wrong. I still do that. But I am looking into other things because I always do like to diversify. I still have my stocks. Yes, I still have some cash. Yes. I do have some gold and silver. Yes. And I am going to look into something new, ladies and gents. I am. Not a new platform, crypto platform, something totally new outside of crypto. So if you are interested in that kind of stuff, please tune in. I will make that video this week. So after watching this video, make sure you tune in for the next one, because that's when I'll be talking about what I am going to get into. I'm very excited. I've been doing my research. I've been looking at, it's something online, of course, because I love online, and I've enjoyed people's reviews on it. I looked into it myself, like into their company, because you can look up any company, ladies and gents, especially if it's one that's a public company. You can look up their info, and maybe I'll do a video on how to show you that or how you can do that as well for your own information. But yeah, see, I don't know. So, ladies and gents, today's lesson is take your profit, or at least take back your seed money, because even reputable quote unquote companies, they can be in the hole. And then once they file for bankruptcy, that means you'll be in the hole if you have any money in there. So I still have money in BlockFi as well. So I'm going to take out some of that, withdraw some of that. I'll leave some in there because now they have a new policy, right? Where if you can't transfer, if you're in the US, you can't transfer in new funds to the interest bearing accounts. So you can put it in there, but it'll just stay in there. So why would you put it in there when you could just hold it somewhere else, or just cash it out, into cash and then buy again later? It is totally up to you what you want to do. You do you, bro, as I always say. And ladies and gents, thank you again for tuning in. I will be back. I will make regular videos, and please, please, please tune in to my next one, because I will be looking at investing into something outside of crypto. And if you're interested, definitely tune into that one. But anyways, I hope you're having a great day or great night wherever you are. Please stay safe. Please stay healthy. Please stay sane, most important of all. And I will see you at the next video. Adios.